Hello and welcome to another episode of my photography vlog, and today I wanted to do something different. I've travelled to a location that I was here before actually. It's called Waterfalls, and when I came here I showed the importance of using a polarizer, and if you haven't seen that episode I'll link to that here. But today it's raining, it's wet, so I want to do something, like I say, which is different, and I want to be able to shoot the woodland and shoot the waterfalls in a way that I haven't done before, which is from above and beyond. So I'm going to go with only my phone because it's waterproof, and I'm going to shoot above the water, under the water, and try and give a different viewpoint to a waterfall. I saw a video recently and it was quite inspiring, and I said I wanted to do that. I'm here also as well with another photographer. His name is Darren. You might remember him from an episode of my series in the Landscape Photographer Profiles. If you haven't seen his episode, I'll link to that as well here. But Darren is a very good photographer, and he's been really good as well so far today in helping me shoot some B-roll and get some shots of me in the water, going under the water, well not literally, but putting my camera under the water. And I do think it's going to be an interesting episode of my vlog. So sit back, enjoy, and as usual, if you enjoy the content, leave me a comment below. It is different. If you enjoy the content as well, please hit the subscribe button and like, and until the next time, slán the fóill.